What is that?
Wait, it's just for Dad.
Is that your chicken nuggets?
No.
Okay.
This is a hamburger. It's for Dad.
What is it? Let me see.
We have McNuggies.
You have chicken McNuggets.
McNuggies. We both eat two McNuggies.
Oh, Calvin, look at your shirt and your plate.
No. A black McNugget.
Calvin.
No. It's not gonna happen today, guys. Unless you smell cool.
Oh, that's so
You got a girl,
cool.
not a boy.
What is that?
I got a boy. I got a French
Wait, what does Connor have?
fries.
What is that, Connor?
It's from this movie.
From Pixar.
Yes,
let me
I got.
see.
Yes, I got. Oh, he's so fun. I'm opening it, guys.
Oh,
Let's see what's in here.
where is your French fry?
She's so fluffy. Oh,
What is that?
How to open this? God, I have to show my brother how to open. There's a little.
What is that? Boys, where's your French fry?
Our French fries are here. Get chocolate
Oh,
milk. My
yeah,
French fries
chocolate
goes
milk.
everywhere.
You
I got
French
two
fries.
French fries. Guys, can someone hand me a scissors? Dad.
I can help you open it.
No. Oh, I can't remember Nuggie. Can't remember Nuggie, the whole French fries. I'm just gonna ask for French fries back. I might eat that much, so yeah. My French fries.
What did Connor get? Connor, you have chicken nugget and French fry just like your brother,
Put that
Calvin?
in the box.
Why did you put back in the box?
Why? There's a couple. There's a couple French fries. You got so yeah. I'm gonna. Mommy, open my toy.
Anything else in the box?
Mommy.
Oh, you have a hamburger in there.
I do. I got a mini hamburger in there.
And you have a chocolate milk.
A toy. Yeah. Oh, look! I got. They call it napkin.
Oh, yeah. And Connor, what's in your box? Do you have anything else in your box?
Yes, I do.
What do you have in your box? Oh, you have a hamburger too.
I'm gonna open my hamburger now.
Yeah?
Thank you so full.
Oh, Calvin, I noticed that your shirt Star Wars. You have your plate is also Star Wars.
Look at this. Really?
Let me see.
Who
Oh,
ordered this for me?
it's just a
Pickles!
pickle. You like pickle? No?
He does not
Let's see.
like pickles.
Where's your chocolate milk?
My chocolate.
Connor doesn't have his chocolate milk?
No, he has it. Pickles.
Pickle.
Pickles.
Calvin likes pickle too, right,
I
Calvin?
don't like any pickles. I'm gonna
You don't
take
like
out
pickle? You
pickles.
gonna take it out? Pickle's good for.
No.
No pickle?
More McNuggies down there.
No pickle?
No pickles.
Ah.
So guys, wait, is that a ring? Where's my Skylar toy? It's actually good. Daddy, Mommy, my Skylar toy. Open it. Give me my Skylar.
What is that toy?
These are toys but come with wheels.
What is that toy?
Oh no! Yes, I opened it, guys!
Do you like McDonald's French fry?
Yeah. You said it's a pizza.
I like McDonald's French fry too. What is
A
that?
keychain.
Is it a keychain? Let me
Yeah,
see.
it's a keychain.
Let me see in the
I
front.
have the orange one. Orange one and my brother's a blue one.
Oh, let's see the face of
That's
that.
red.
Connor, let me see the face.
Skylar!
Oh, and Calvin? Let's see
I'm
Calvin
the
has.
wife. I named the guy. I named
Who
him
ordered this quarter pound?
my dad. I'm gonna show you what he feels like, but I can't show you. My grandma. So I am gonna tell you something. So I'm gonna name him
What are you gonna name him?
Teether.
Huh?
I named him Arthur.
Arthur?
No, Arthur.
Arthur.
Yeah. No, I named
What
him.
name is
I
that?
have chocolate milk now. Know who I named him?
What do you name him?
Skyline. She.
Oh, but that's a she though. Isn't that a girl?
And he's a girl.
Right?
Yes. So I named him. Hey, I feel like I named him.
Oh, your fry looks good. I'm gonna have one.
I I named him Flower Man.
Pixar. Didn't we see this movie already?
No, dude. Oh yeah, that's fun. So watch it.
Yeah.
So fun, you're not gonna be. Here's the clip.
Can you show me your T-shirt? What does it say? Oh, Star Wars. Oh, Darth Vader. And Calvin? Oh,
Darth
Calvin has
Vader.
Darth Vader. The same. You both like Star Wars, right?
In the trash. So wag.
Calvin, you drink your milk, chocolate milk? What's wrong?
This hamburger's good. I want to eat it.
Is there pickles still in there? Pickle's really good. Mommy likes pickle.
There's
I like
still
pickle.
pickle in there. Eat my pickle then. My copy, so I'm gonna keep this for okay, I'm gonna keep this. This is
Look
not
at everything
trash.
over here is red.
I know. I get 3 fresh boxes, 1 chocolate milk.
And what is this, guy?
A
Uh-oh.
boy. Wait. Calvin? Calvin, can you please hand me back my french fries back? Yeah. It's right there.
But you know, that's a lot of food for somebody
chicken
small
nuggets.
like you guys.
Chicken
You guys
nuggets.
have, what is it? 8
Okay, I
pieces,
forgot
6
those
pieces,
empty
10
chicken nuggets.
pieces of chicken nuggets
Mm.
and a hamburger and a fry.
Hey,
And then
hey,
I heard
look at
you
this.
have a Oreo cookie milkshake. Wow, you will be full
How did you
tonight.
heard that? How
That's,
did you heard that?
that's your favorite. No?
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna show you. Okay. Bye.
Con, are you done? Calvin, are you done eating?
I'm not done eating, so see you in half an hour.
Where are you going? Oh, Calvin went to get ice cream. Oh, is that your ice cream?
Oh, it's gonna freeze. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna eat a back of it. It's so good.
Oh, that's the Oreo cookie ice cream, huh? McDonald has the
Would you
best
guys-
Oreo cookie ice
Wait,
cream.
you've been there before?
Oh, yummy in your tummy. There's Connor getting his.
You've been there before?
I've been to McDonald's several times. I like the
How?
McCafe.
How? I love Oreo.
Oh, look at that. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Is that a good dinner? Really?
Junk food?
Oh, Connor, you also have Oreo chocolate.
I'm gonna
Oreo
put my
ice cream,
back.
right?
I'm thinking of this and that. Delicious. Guys, so I eat 2 french fries at a time.
No, no, no.
Yes.
You look funny like that.
We are putting that back in the freezer.
Okay, put it back in the freezer before it melts.
It just come out of the freezer. It just slowly come out the freezer.
Okay, so you both did not finish your hamburger or chicken nugget.
Hey. Good.
Is your hamburger good with the pickle?
Yeah, I like pickle.
Yeah, pickle is good. How about Calvin? Do you like your pickle? I want to see what this chocolate milk is. Oh, this is the chocolate milk. Oh.
You want to taste it?
Mwah, taste some. Yeah, yum, yum.
No, it's not yum because you can't actually taste it. So go buy it. You buy it before? Did you buy it before? Did you buy it before? Mwah. There was 0 kissing. Again, guys.
Okay.
So guys, 3, 2, 1, subscribe to our channel. Look at my bucket. Bye. Bye, guys.
Okay, that's the boys' dinner at McDonald's tonight. They requested McDonald's.